we racing right now, huh?
Hey,
Um,
okay mo uwi.
we Dor, I'm the Dora. I am Dora the Explorer. This is Samuel. Hello, Samuel. This is Carl. Hello, Carl. So today, Samuel is gonna.
Bakit nandiyan kayo madilim dyan?
So Samuel is gonna be Amir, and Carl's gonna be Wally West. And I'm gonna be Dora the Explorer with the camera. This guy's the fastest. So let's start here. And yes, I do have a bag right behind me. Samuel! Samuel, spawn! Come here! Come here, Samuel! What the hell was that? What the hell was that? He's a pussycat. A joke. There. No. So the rules are no pushing and no... Wally West. No hatak.
No
Bawal,
butting.
bawal yung hatak ha. Bawal yun.
No
Bawal.
butting.
Oo. Bawal din mag-ano. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, shoot. He's yours. He's cheating right now. Oh, freaking. Kamatay soon. This is the last floor, 4th floor. And Amir is right there.
Next round.
Car is gone.
Hello.
What in the world? Samuel. Oh wow. Look at that.
Really, the Dora World.
Why? Why is it like the Craftsman world? Hey, Samuel! We're gonna go there.
Okay.
Give me the ball.
No.
Please. So, we're gonna chase the ball, okay? You ready? 3, 2, 1. No! No, you ain't. No, you're right there. Dito lang. Balik. There. Oh, Samuel. Bata. Let's go. Hurry. Hurry up. Let's go, guys. Shut the fuck. Oh, let's go. Walang... Let's go! Why is it so blurry? I don't know. What happened to my phone?
This or that?
Yeah. I don't know, let's go. Huh? There's Carl! Carl's here! Hi, Carl. Why are you so bagal? Bang bagal mo. We're gonna race right here. Now, where are you going? Here.
Wow!
Let's go.
Papa, let's go.
We still didn't sit for like minutes. Bro, my feet is gonna be. Yeah. Wala ko, uwian na.
I travel to multiverse by multiverse by multiverse. I travel to the moon. I travel to multiverse.